If you do too long, it's gonna burn. Because this one is still hot, it's gonna continue cooking, you see?
Yeah.
Here we have that. Okay? You want a quick look? In number 3 step. Number 4 is gonna be the shallot on top later. Coconut sugar, bay leaf. You put it in like that. And stir. And you let it boil until the sauce reduce from what you see, quarter will be thick. And then you taste it. In case you want a seasoning with fish sauce, you can. And this one, when we're done, put beside the rice, shallot on top. Pretty.
Lovely.
Now you guys
Alright.
throw all the recipe now. And then you have one cutting this. Let it boil. Cut this one. Take that. Let's do one slices or chop. Yes, a little bit. Slice. See the make it too hot. Red curry, add fish sauce about 1 spoon.
Fish sauce.
Okay. Look at it. Fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. This one gonna be soft.
Not yet.
Not yet. This will be another 3-4 minutes. And then we're gonna add basil. That's the last thing. Just let it boil.
This is ready.